Hello and welcome to the MindMajix YouTube channel. As most of us were following the viral Ghibli art image trends created with AI tools like ChatGPT, here comes the another trend known as action figure or toy trend, where you can transform your image into a cute toy or a doll. Action figure characters are used by big media productions including Marvel, Warner Brothers and DC to market their movies and advertisements. Now, I'm gonna show you how you can create these action figures with ChatGPT for absolutely free. So, let's open the ChatGPT. As you can see, I already uploaded my image into this. By the way, you can upload it by clicking here. Once it uploaded, then enter this prompt. I will mention this prompt into the description. You can use the same prompt or customize it as per your need. Then hit enter. It takes couple of minutes to generate your image. Wait until it's done. So here is the result. As you can see, it transformed my image into a toy. You can download it by clicking here. I downloaded my image. So that's it. So if this video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thank you and take care.